Hi everyone, you're watching Wildix Collaboration video tutorials. And today we will talk about call intrusion. Call intrusion allows you to join an ongoing call of one of your colleagues, no matter whether it is an external or an internal call. Supervisors and managers, especially in a contact center, often need to be able to listen in on live calls or to drop in on a call. You can do it from any Wildix device or any device connected to the Wildix system, but in this video we will talk about Wildix Collaboration. In this series, we mentioned the access control list, ACL, several times, saying that you can do this or that feature if not restricted by the ACL. It is a bit different with call intrusion. You need to have certain permissions to be able to do it. So this rule should be explicitly present in the ACL. And this is something that your system administrator can do for you. There are different types of call intrusion. The first one we will talk about is called silent intrusion or listen mode. In this mode, you can listen in on a call and no one can hear you. For example, let's imagine our HR manager is interviewing a candidate for my team. I don't want to interfere, but I would like to listen. I find a colleague who is talking on the phone. For example, this one, I hover the mouse over the user and I click on the three dots next to the person's name. Then I select Listen. Normally, people you're listening to are not notified about call intrusion, but it is possible to configure the system in a way that they will be notified with a beep. And I would also like to mention that in the call history it is possible to see that there has been a call intrusion on your call. And it will look like a normal incoming call like this. Here is our second case, partial intrusion, also called whisper in Wildix Collaboration. Let's imagine I'm supervising a new employee in a contact center. I'm listening to their first calls with a customer. And I would like to give some piece of advice, some tips to this new colleague, so that the other party, the customer, cannot hear me. Press again the three dots, but this time let's click on Whisper. And now I can talk to my colleague and the other party will not hear me. Here is our third case, conference intrusion, also called Barge. I can drop in on a call in a conference mode so that both parties can hear me. This time we will click again on the three dots and then we will click on Barge. You can do call intrusion not only from Collaboration but from any device connected to the Wildix system using our feature codes. Please read Wildix feature codes documentation for more details. That's all for today. Thank you for your time.